Southwest Transit marketing team recommendations. The four team members that were selected were Michael, Elizabeth, William, and Susan. Based on team member profiles, we believe these team members have complementary assets, experience, and interpersonal skills that can be developed and utilized by the team to produce the results the company is depending on. Team strengths. Michael has been with the company for 5 years. He's motivated, compassionate, identifies as a leader. He enjoys collaborating with coworkers and exhibits the characteristics of a conscious leader. Elizabeth has been with the company for 4 years. She's positive, collaborative, flexible, open-minded, takes on leadership roles, sees the big picture, and welcomes change. William has been with the company for 4 years. He's positive, easygoing, a team player, friendly, and non-confrontational. Susan is positive, energetic, collaborative, builds trust. She's supportive, pleasant, and focuses on her quality of work. We believe that the team members with these strengths have the potential to be a collaborative, cohesive team. Members have similar interpersonal skills as well as varying degrees of knowledge and enthusiasm that complement one another and will help to create a productive team who can work together successfully. Team weaknesses. Michael can be overly confident, passive-aggressive, impulsive, and at times he lacks attention to detail and has a low confidence that can impact his work. Elizabeth does not struggle with much, but she does have trouble developing new skills. William can be inefficient due to poor time management. Susan, unlike the other team members, has been with the company for just over a year. She can lack focus and attention to detail. She needs validation before submitting work at times, and her inclination to please leads her to being taken advantage of at times as well. Although each team member does struggle with some weaknesses, we believe that as a team, their weaknesses can be leveraged to achieve a singular goal. We also believe that the specific motivation, conflict resolution, and leadership strategies will help to minimize the influences of individual weaknesses of the team. Motivation strategies. The motivation strategies that we suggest for this team are Herzberger's two-factor theory of motivation, an emphasis on empowerment, and goal setting. To motivate this team, management will explore the two-factor theory of motivation to increase the job satisfaction of team members because they are each motivated by different factors. The two-factor model can be used to explain how employees can satisfy both factors identified as motivators and dissatisfiers by identifying the dissatisfiers, also known as hygiene factors. According to a study by Anderson, hygiene factors can cause the most job dissatisfaction. Anderson observed that repetitive tasks and heavy workloads decrease employees' ability to accomplish tasks, but that improved satisfaction came with individual recognition, and challenging work. Ensuring that team members feel empowered is important as well. Based on findings by Ahmed and Manzoor, empowerment positively affects employee performance because empowered employees feel free and powerful. As a result, they work efficiently and effectively to achieve organizational goals. Finally, goal setting will be necessary for the team to set conscious goals and intentions for the project. Goal setting will also be a way for management to measure progress so that team achievements can be recognized. Conflict resolution strategies. The conflict resolution strategy that would work best for this team will be collaboration. We'll be focusing on cooperation, non-threatening environment, open communication, and active listening. Portland Community College explains that collaboration involves finding a solution that entirely satisfies the concerns of all parties involved. Using a collaborative approach will work well for this team despite the tight deadline, because the team size is small and they share many strengths that support collaboration. Leadership strategies. For this project, management will take an affiliative leadership approach. Based on a study by Gagnon et al., affiliative leadership helps to provide a collective capacity for leadership skills and facilitates that capacity, rather than focusing on individual development. Affiliative leadership also encourages open communication and helps to encourage collaboration and the open exchange of perspectives and opinions. There is also an emphasis on shared control. One of the primary management goals for this project is that the skills learned from the affiliative leadership approach will not only extend to the members' individual work, but also pass the deadline for this project. Conscious capitalism. This team embodies conscious capitalism because its members are collaborating to create value for all Southwest Transit stakeholders. These team members will use their strengths to boost sales and visibility for Southwest Transit, and in so doing, help to avoid the loss of jobs. The tenet of stakeholder orientation played a role in the selection of team members because the primary goal of this team is to optimize value for all stakeholders. This includes the team itself. A motivating factor for the team will be creating value and having an impact on the future of the company. Stakeholder value. The team will work on creating the highest level of returns for stakeholders. And this project will also explore how the team and management can increase stakeholder value. For this project, the team and management will work together to create the highest level of return for stakeholders by elevating the company once again to its position as the leader in the industry while increasing sales. Although this project will be demanding and have tight deadlines, management believes that this team can successfully achieve its goal and complete this project on time. As the team members are stakeholders themselves, management will be sure to recognize and reward team members when they achieve the goals that they have set. Ultimately, management hopes to create a group of supportive stakeholders who can help to give the company a competitive advantage in the future, while at the same time developing an environment in which stakeholders feel valued and supported.